Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is, well, let's sell to Frog Nation. We're going to bridge our memo to Fantom and stake them on Popsicle Finance. Why not? Got anything better to do today? It's Sunday. Come on. All right, this is relatively urgent. I think we only have like one day to do this to basically collect the benefits. Essentially, this is part of a bigger project, okay, that's being put together by the collaboration between Andre Cronje and Daniele on the Fantom network. So they're building new project there right now to try to boost people's spirits. They're going to throw NFTs at protocols, and those NFTs can be distributed. The benefits of those NFTs can be distributed to stakers on Popsicle Finance, for instance, or in other protocols. So let's try to go through the motions and see what the benefits are going to be. And we're going to go step by step and do this. So this is the article that talks about what they want us to do. This is brand new, just came up. So Solidly is the name of the new protocol, and they've got the NFT staking event. All right, so as you can see, it's a Wonderland and Popsicle Finance collaboration with Solidly, which is part of Andre Cronje's host of projects. So it says the highly anticipated project Solidly from prolific coder Andre Cronje is launching soon. The initial distributions of tokens will go to the top 20 Fantom projects with the biggest TVL, total value locked, for those who are not aware of what TVLs are. A snapshot of the qualifying project is expected to be taken off the multi-chain TVL data dashboard DeFi Llama on January 23rd. That's today. So hurry. These initial tokens will be distributed as an NFT with a vesting schedule, meaning that projects will be receiving tokens which unlock over time in the form of an NFT. All right. So Wonderland is collaborating with Popsicle Finance to receive one of these NFTs. All right. Wonderland and Popsicle Finance, the Solidly NFT Staking Event. Step 1, bridge your wrap memo to Fantom. If you haven't bridged to Fantom yet, you need to bridge Fantom now if you want to take advantage of this. Step 2, stake your wrap memo on Popsicle Finance. Step 3, get your share of the NFT reward. So, we're going to try to do that today. So, we're going to go over the steps here, and then we'll perform them. I'll perform them myself in the video. So, bridge your wrap memo to Fantom using the bridging interface found in the Wonderland Money Bridge. Okay. Go to Popsicle Finance, stand and farm, and stake your wrap memo in the Solidly NFT Staking Event. Over here. Okay. Keep your wrap memo tokens staked. Don't take them out. And help increase Popsicle Finance TVL to get into the top 20 TVL projects on Fantom. So if enough people stake enough wrap memo tokens on Popsicle is going to be in the top 20 projects on Fantom. And then it's eligible to get the NFTs. So if you don't do this, you lose, and Popsicle lose, and everybody else lose. So do it, okay? Wonderland and Popsicle will share the one NFT voting power 50-50 and will decide together how to use it in the best interest of the Frog Nation. All right, so it's a collaboration between the two protocols, okay? You're gonna get some voting power on the new project, Solidly, okay? And I'm gonna share that. And that means sharing voting power gives you power to get rewards and vote on how to get more rewards for your token holders and so on. You know, that's the point. You don't vote for just changing the color of the protocol. For detailed description of how to navigate through the Popsicle Finance interface, you can read this lovely article here. They will be announcing more details regarding the reward distribution in the next post. I don't know when the next post is going to be. Could be tomorrow, could be next week, could be next year. I don't know. Okay? So just be patient and just stake your freaking tokens on Popsicle. All right, so let's try this. And I don't know how long it's going to take. I haven't done it yet. So first of all, you need wrap memos. If you have, number one, if you only have time tokens and you're not staking them, what are you waiting for? Me telling you to do it? Okay, well then do it now. So let's just assume that for whatever reason in your wallet, it doesn't say 0 time here. All right, just because you're confused maybe. So if you've got more than 0 here, you need to stake your time. You hit max, you stake, you pay the gas on MetaMask, and then you've got, your time becomes memos. Okay, so let's say you have 1 time token, then it becomes 1 memo token after it's staked. All right, memo is a stake time. That's what it means. All right, that's all sweet, but now we need wrap memo. This is not wrap yet. How do we wrap our memos? So let's say you already have memos, but they're not wrapped. How do we do that? Well, right here, the big fat button that says wrap. Okay, now my memos are already wrapped, so it says 0. But if you're not wrapped, you're gonna have an amount here. You hit max, and then you hit wrap. You might have to hit it twice. The first time it's for approval, and then the second time is for actual wrapping, if it's the first time you wrap. Okay, so, and for those that are curious, yes, you can unwrap. So like I could, for instance, unwrap this and get some plain old memos, but I don't want to do that right now. I want to use my wrap memo. Okay, so wrapping and unwrapping, super easy. Click, click, done. Okay, that's it. All right, so we already have our wrap memo, right? Okay, so we need to go to the bridge. Right now we're on the AVAX chain. We need to go to the Fantom chain. So we need to move our wrap memo to Fantom. Why? Popsicle's on Fantom. That's why. Okay. So we click max. Obviously, this is a small amount. I'm using this for demonstration. Okay. Now it talks about the fees. Okay. The cross-chain fee is 0.1%. Okay. So hopefully it's not going to burn all my wrap memos, but we should be okay. It says the minimum is 0.000056 wrap memo. Since this is a very small amount, I think we're going to be near the minimum. So I don't expect a major loss of bridging fees. But let's try it and let's see, right? Okay, since this is the first time I bridge, it says approve. We click approve. MetaMask appears. And we confirm that we want to approve, right? Okay, so it's pending, and then the button's going to change. And I guess it's going to say bridge or something. Approve again. Okay, bridge. Yeah, that's what we want. All right. So we're going to bridge and pay the AVAX gas. And it's pending. So it says here the estimated time of the cross-chain arrival could be 10-30 minutes. So I might have to cut the video and come back in 10 to 30 minutes. But that gives you an idea. Now, if you have a ton of wrap memos, like you want to send 15 wrap memos at the same time, that can take up to 12 hours. All right. So all right, apparently that was updated successfully. My wrap memo now on the AVAX chain is 0. So it's already taken from Avalanche, and now it's traveling across the universe to Fantom. okay? In the big crypto ether somewhere. All right. Okay, so let's check if we have it on the other chain. So let's go to Fantom. We change networks. Okay, it's all right. So we're gonna cut the video and I'll come back when I see my rep memos on the Fantom network. Okay, we're back. I refreshed the page after a few minutes and now it shows that my rep memo was transferred to Fantom. Now, of course, if I ever wanted to switch bridge back from Fantom to Avalanche or Ethereum or Arbitrum, that's always possible. But I don't need it right now. So we're going to Popsicle. And we make sure we're on the Fantom network, we connect, and when we're here, with the pro mode, with the farm, aren't we connected already? Connect. All right, so there's no Sorbeto, but there are farms. Okay. So we want the wrap memo. We're gonna stake it max and approve the token. Okay. All right, that might take a little bit of time. Let's see what MetaMask says. Oh, it says approved already. Oh, that's the approval. Okay. And I need to hit stake. At some point this should change for stake, I'm hoping. Do I have to refresh? Ah, there we go. It refreshed itself. Technology. Okay, so we stake. We confirm in MetaMask. And once we're done, let's see how it goes. All right, so it's still pending deposit. Once it's done, we can check in my position over here. Okay, so it's deposited. Okay, well, let's check now. You have no need to be optimized in front. Oh, come on, we just did it. Okay, please wait. Okay, we're here. All done, and it's active, so that's lovely. And that's the total amount of TVA we got here. All right. So that's it. That's all we have to do. Now, remember, if your tokens are, let's say, used as collateral on Abracadabra, well, you need to take them out of there first, and then bridge them over here, over to Fantom, and then stake them here. Okay. For as long as they're deposited at Abracadabra, you cannot have them deposited at two places at once. So you need to take them out of Abracadabra. So if you have if you borrowed against anything on against your collateral on Abracadabra, you have to pay the loan first. Okay, then you can take your collateral out and you can stake it here, if that's what you want to do. Okay, you cannot have it staked at two places at once. Okay, that's about it. So essentially, just you know, if you want to know what's going on with Wonderland and all that, well, you should definitely follow Daniele over here on Twitter, because from time to time he's going to send us these random notes without warning. So it says like, hurry, do it now. Okay, all right. Okay, so definitely follow him. You should follow probably Wonderland as well on Twitter, and follow 0x Sifu as well, since he's in charge of the investments. All right, so that's going to help as well. just for your information, this guy here also wrote down all the steps you need to do. Okay, and he answers a few other questions that I might have skipped. So follow him. He's super nice. DeFi Edge, okay, on Twitter. So hit follow. All right. He wrote all the information you need. Okay, it's similar to what you have here. I mean, it's not very complicated, but he answers a lot of extra questions that some people might have. All right. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And you can download the free book. Imagine. All you have to do is put your name, your email address, hit the submit button. Then you get a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you miss that button by any chance, we're going to send you another email with another big fat button that says download the free book. And if you don't want to download the free book, well, go to Amazon and pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a whole $1. See ya.